How do you figure out what to do for your career when you're burned out from working too long at things you don't enjoy? So you have forgotten what it feels like to enjoy yourself. You're so frustrated in your current career and so used to just doing what you don't enjoy, your inner compass for pointing you towards your joy is broken. Your passion muscle is weak from inactivity. You don't have a good sense of anything that interests you. In that case, how can you reliably figure out what to do for your career? When you're burned out and not enjoying yourself at all, trying to home in on your interests and specifically professional or career interests, that's too big a leap. The place to start is to get that passion muscle working again. My favorite exercise for repairing that inner joy compass and figuring out what you enjoy is a creative exercise called 100 Dreams. In 100 Dreams, you brainstorm a list of everything you want to be, do, and have. By brainstorming a long list, 100 Dreams shows you that the antidote to being stuck isn't just one lightning bolt of inspiration. It's actually the opposite. There are many dreams to pursue, as many as 100 or more. Make a list of everything you have ever wanted to accomplish, like getting a master's degree, or experience, like traveling to Fiji, or have, like owning a home, or learn, like playing violin, or do, like go snorkeling under the moonlight. Don't censor yourself by worrying if you can actually do it, or afford it, or schedule it. Just write it down. 100 Dreams asks you to stretch to 100 to prove that there is not just one path forward. There are many things you want to do. When you get stuck for more dreams, think in terms of categories. 10 groups of 10, 10 countries to visit, 10 sites to explore, 10 activities to do, 10 skills to learn, 10 books to read, 10 events to attend, 10 pleasures to enjoy, 10 financial goals, 10 relationship goals, 10 career milestones. Once you have your list, move forward with anything on there. If you're pressed for time, pick a pleasure you can adapt in your day-to-day life, like buying fresh flowers for your desk. If you're pressed for money, pick a book that's available at the library. If you're undecided, throw a dart. Now you have no excuse to get started on something. You start honoring your interests again, which will awaken your passion muscle and improve your joy compass on what else you want, including career-related wants. You will likely be in a better mood and much more attractive to opportunities and employers. This will improve your career prospects sooner than you think. 100 Dreams is just the start of the work and introspection needed to figure out what to do for your career. I share more tips and exercises and prompts in a monster post on my site, Ceniza-Levine.com. The post is aptly titled, How to Figure Out What to Do in Your Career, 10 Exercise and Prompts to Get Started.